Binjai is home to about 25 households and is considered a minority and impoverished village in Pahang, Malaysia. The residents lead a lifestyle that is different from the majority of us, relying on a small lake to support their livelihood, lacking proper sanitation facilities, living in dilapidated wooden houses with no electricity, and limited education opportunities. LP250, together with the kindness of our loved ones, aim to bring light and hope to their everyday.
Today we are in Kampung Binjai here in Pahang for our Wow Day. So the Wow Day here is to connect with the villagers in this Orang Asli Kampung, to give them hope, to inspire them and to show them that we care for them. So there's a lot of activities going on. There's installation of solar. There's activity for children. We're giving away a lot of home refurbishment tools as well.
我们在这边装solar的原因是因为 as you can see 没有 DMB 没有灯，所以那时候我们来 site visit 的时候都是很暗，是看不到的。
Finish installing lights for Rumah Pelajar Kampung Binjai, officiated by YB.
然后我们 provide electricity 给他们，有灯、有风扇，可以在舒服环境、在对的环境去学习，然后有一个更好的未来。
这个呢就是他们的 learning center， 其实我们安装了一个 solar system， 所以这里你看一下后面我们也买了电视机给他们，所以其实以后他们在 learning center 可以学习。然后我们还有买了大的一个黑板，给他们的小孩子提供一个更好的、良好的教育的空间。
So it's called solar charging station where they charge their phone. So now they can charge their phone, their lamp, you know, the one that we give them. So very convenient lah.
Perasaan pasal solar itu pun semua okey bagi saya. Bukan macam dulu susah pergi luar sana, pergi cas handphone, tumpang dekat kedai, kadang-kadang dekat kampung Sempai, kadang-kadang dekat kampung Langkat.
LP250 terima kasih. Okay. Saya banyak-banyak bangga.
Happy that I saw a lot of smiles on their face, and I feel that we LP actually bring some happiness into this village. I'm very grateful, and yes, we light up the village.
Today's activity has left me feeling fulfilled, feeling empowered for myself, knowing that the solar panels, our menstrual products that we've shared with them, and the food that we've shared with them also, it made them feel so much love.
Saya bersyukur dan gembira, sangat gembira. Sebab sekali pertama saya berjumpa dengan dia orang dan saya ucap berterima kasih, sangat berterima kasih kerana sudi membantu kami semua rakyat orang asli.
We challenge.
We challenge.
We challenge.
We challenge. We challenge.
We challenge.
We empower. We empower.
We empower.
We empower. We empower. We empower.
We empower.
We win.
We win.
We win.
We win.
We win.
We win.
We win.